Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about inversely, shortly and directly. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. Question number 26. Y varies inversely as the square of x when x equal to number 3, y equal to number 2. Find the value of y when x equal to number 1. So we have inversely, so we have the formula in here. That should be about y multiplied with x square equal to k. K is about constant. So we have number 3 and number 2 in here. So we put this one. So we can find the k in here. So 3 power 2, you got about 9. 9 multiplied with number 2, you got about 18. So k should be about 18. Now we have s equal to number 1. We have y s square and number 18. We just calculate in here. And we have s equal to number 1. So we put number 1 in here. And we got about y equals to number 18. And this is the answer of the question. Now let's go to number 27. Number 27, y vary slowly with s and the cube root of z. That should be about y over s multiplied with z square, and we put about k is about constant. So we have s, z, y. We put everything in here. So we have y equal to number 12. S is about number 2. Z is about 27. Oh, that's a cubic root. Sorry about that. This should be like this. So we got about number 2, and that's the value of k. Now go back to the solution. We have k equal to number 2. We put in here. And now we have s and we have z. So we put number in here. So this one, you got about y over 10 equal to number 2. And we got about y equal to 10 multiplied with number 2. So you got about 20. And this is the answer. Now let's go to number 28. The distance of polyphons varies directly as the square of time it falls. If an object falls 64 feet in 2 seconds, how long will it take to fall 256 feet in here? So the formula of this one, that should be about the height equal to k multiplied with t square. So we have 64 feet in 2 seconds. So we put about 64 in here. And we have k. And we have 2 square in here. So you got about 64 equal to k multiplied with number 4. So we divide both sides with number 4, and you got about 16. So go back to this equation. We have k is about number 16. We put in here. Now we have t square, and we have the height in here. So we put about 256 equal to 16 t square. We divide both sides with number 16. You will got about number 16 in here. So we put the square root in the both sides, and you will got about 4 equal to t, and that should be about 4 seconds. That's the end. Thank you for watching.